Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a really exciting topic. We're going to look at how computers can understand and classify movie genres. This uses the power of machine learning. We will be doing a code review of a project built for this very purpose. Our goal is to see how someone approached this challenge, examine the code's quality, and suggest ways to make it even better. First, let's understand the project. This system takes a movie's description or plot summary. It then tries to predict its genre. Is it an action movie? A comedy? A drama? This is a classic example of a machine learning task called classification. The computer learns from many examples to make its predictions. Now, let's open up the code. Our initial impression is important. Is the code well organized? Are the file names clear and descriptive? Good comments throughout the code are also crucial. They help anyone reading the code understand what each part does. Readable code is always a sign of a good project. Next, we examine the data loading and preprocessing steps. How does the project get its movie data? Is it from a simple CSV file, or a more complex database? Movie descriptions are just text. Machine learning models need numbers, not words. So, cleaning this text is vital. We look for steps to remove special characters, stop words, or to convert everything to lowercase. Then, we check how the text is transformed into numerical features. Techniques like TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, or word embeddings are common here. This step can heavily influence the model's performance. Moving on to model selection and training. Which machine learning model did the developer choose? Common choices for text classification include naive Bayes, support vector machines, SVMs, logistic regression, or even more advanced deep learning models like LSTMs or transformers. We check how the model was trained. Was the data split correctly into training and testing sets? This is essential to ensure the model learns well and can generalize to new, unseen data. We also look for any hyperparameter tuning. This is like fine-tuning the model's settings for optimal results. After training, the model needs to be evaluated. How well does it actually perform? We look at the metrics used. Accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score are standard measures. A confusion matrix can also be very insightful. It shows which genres the model often confuses. Are the results good enough for the problem? Are there any obvious areas where the model struggles? Finally, we come to suggestions for improvement. Can we make the code even cleaner or more efficient? Could a different machine learning model potentially yield better results? Sometimes, simply adding more diverse training data can significantly boost performance. Improving the text preprocessing pipeline can also make a big difference. Adding unit tests would improve the code's robustness. Thinking about how the model could be deployed for real-world use is also a good next step. That wraps up our code review of this movie genre classification project. It was a fantastic example of applying machine learning to text data. Understanding how to build and improve such systems is a valuable skill. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this review helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.